Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to tell you this huge 3D flower motif. It can be make a applique, or you can use in your blankets a piece of motif in the center or some places. You can use it a little in your project and it gets it a different looking. Okay, you can make a pocket with that motif. You can choose where you want to use. I want to tell you it's so easy. I give all the details in the video. But if you have any questions, please leave me comments and don't forget subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our huge 3D flower. I will use that motif cotton yarns. It's I think size 3. I will use 4mm hook. It's erased, sorry. And we will start our motif with magic ring. Make a circle, grab the yarn and chain 3. This is count as a double crochet. Then yarn over and make 15 more double crochet in that hole. 3, insert here, grab the yarn, pull through 2 and pull through 2, so you have a double crochet. I will complete that 16 double crochet and turn to you. I finish my double crochet. Pull that yarn tightly and insert the first, chain 3 and grab the 2 yarns together and for not open that hole again. Like that. Okay. Then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 for double crochet, 1 is for the chain 1 space. Yarn over and insert the second stitch and make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then chain 1, yarn over, insert the next stitch and make a double crochet. Then chain 1, yarn over and insert the next stitch and make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then chain 1, next stitch, make a double, then chain 1, next stitch, make 5 double crochet. That round like that. 5 double, chain 1, make double, chain 1, 5 double. I will finish like that and turn to you. I come to at the end, make 5 double crochet, chain 1. I have left here 2 stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yes. Yarn over and make a double crochet, chain 1, and you remember we start with chain 1, so we will finish with 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 1 and insert the third stitch and join with a slip stitch. So we have in our flower 8 leaves. Okay, we are on the third round. Yarn over and make 1 more double crochet on the same stitch. Then chain 1 and insert, come to that first leaf and insert the first stitch and make 2 double on the first stitch. Then make 2 double on the second, 2 double on the third, 2 double on the fourth and 2 double on the fifth. So we increase that 5 double to the 10 double. Then chain 1 and insert that double crochet stitch and make 2 double crochet on it. Then chain 1 and make 2 double crochet in every each stitch. Then chain 1 and make 2 double on that double crochet. I finish that and turn to you. We finished that round and we increased 5 double crochet to the 10. Now chain 3, yarn over and make one more double crochet. Chain 1. Now we will decrease that round, that 10 double to the 5 again, and we will crochet 2 stitch together. Insert the first stitch, grab the yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the second, grab the yarn and pull through 2. I have 3 loops on my hook, pull through all together, yarn over, do the same thing next 2 stitch, pull through 2, yarn over, insert and pull through 2 and pull through all together, yarn over, insert 1 and one more time, pull through all together, yarn over, insert that stitch, pull through 2, yarn over, insert next stitch and pull through 2 and pull through all together, and the last 2 stitch, pull through 2, yarn over, insert last stitch, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together, and we decrease 10 to 5 again. Chain 1 and make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1 and again yarn over, insert the first one, pull through 2, yarn over into the next, pull through 2 and pull through all together. Decrease 10 to 5, chain 1, make 2 double crochet, chain 1 and again decrease that 10 to 5. I finished that round like that. After turn to you. I finished that round. You can see I come to the end, chain 1 and join with a slip stitch with that first chain 3. You can see the part of flower. That round, chain 2, yarn over and insert into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull through 2 and pull through all together. We decrease that 2 double to the 1. Okay, now here we have 5 stitch and we will crochet that 5 stitch together. Yarn over, insert the first one, grab the yarn. Sorry, I forgot that. That round we will make 2 chains. Crochet that 2 stitch together, 2 chain, after insert into the first stitch, grab the yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the next, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the third one, yarn over, insert the fourth one and pull through 2, yarn over, insert the fifth one, pull through 2. I have 6 loops on my hook and pull through all together and chain 1. Then 2 chain, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, grab the yarn and pull through 2. I have 3 loops on my hook and pull through all together. So I decrease that 2 to the 1, here 5 to 1. Okay, chain 2, yarn over, insert first one, pull through 2, second one, pull through 2, third one, pull through 2, fourth one, pull through 2 and the fifth one, pull through 2. I have 6 loops, pull through all together with lock with chain 1, then chain 2 and come to that middle stitches, insert the first one, pull through 2, insert the second one, pull through 2 and pull through all together. Keep crocheting like that. Finish that round and I will turn to you. Finish that round again, chain 2 and slip stitch to the first stitch. Now chain 5, 3, 4, 5, 3 for a post, 2 for the space, and yarn over, insert the top of that first part and make a half double crochet. Chain 2, yarn over, insert that stitch and make a half double crochet. Chain 2, yarn over and come to that part of flower and make 2 double crochet. We will make a corner here. 2, chain 1, yarn over and make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 2, yarn over and make a half double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 2 and make a half double crochet here. So we make a corner and we not make here, we will make the second one, third one. Okay, chain 2 and make here half double crochet. Chain 2 and we will make a corner here. 2 double, two double, chain 1 and 2 double. Chain 2, again half double crochet, chain 2, half double crochet, chain 2, half double crochet and make here a corner. Okay, keep crocheting like that. Finish that round. I will turn to you. I come to the last piece of flower and I will make here, you remember we made here corner, skip one part and make here one corner, last corner. 2 double, chain 1 and 2 double. Then chain 2 and insert here. You can make here from the starting 4 chain or 5, you can adapt that easily. Now slip stitch to the first chain 2 space, chain 3 and make 2 for the space, chain 5, yarn over, insert into the next space and make a double crochet. Chain 2, yarn over and insert into the next chain 2 space. Chain 2 and come to the corner and make 2 double, chain 1 and 2 double. Chain 2 and make a double crochet in the chain 2 space. Chain 2 and make a double crochet in chain 2 space. Chain 2, again make double, chain 2, make double, then chain 2 and come to the corner, 2 double, chain 1 and 2 double. Keep crocheting like that. Chain 2 and make a double crochet in that space. Come to the corner with chain 2 and make 2 double, chain 1 and 2 double in chain 1 space. I finish that and turn to you. I come to the end. 1 2 3, insert third stitch and join with a slip stitch. After that you can growing up your motif with boxes, or you can turn it to the that double crochet rounds. I want to show you chain 3 and count as a double crochet. Yarn over, insert chain 2 space and make a double and make one more double. Yarn over, insert into the stitch and make a double. Yarn over, make 2 double in chain 2 space. Then make 1 double into the stitch. Make 2 double in chain 2 space and make double crochet into the stitches. Then come to the chain 1 space and make a corner, 2 double, chain 1 and 2 double. Don't skip that stitch. Okay, 1 and 2 into the stitch, then 2 into the space, then make 1 into the stitch and keep crocheting like that. 2 double into the chain 2 space, 1 into the stitch and come to the corner, 2 double, chain 1, 2 double. After that we will finish our motif. I finished that round like that. If you want to growing up like, chain 3 and make a double crochet in every each stitch, and you will increase your motif from the corners again. When you come to the chain 1 space, make 2 double, chain 1 and 2 double into the chain 1 space, then keep crocheting a double crochet in every each stitch. Okay, like that. I come here, 2 chain, 2 double, 1 chain and 2 double. I will crochet like that, finish that and turn to you. I finished that round, join with a slip stitch from the first, chain 3, you can see the background, chain 1 and cut my yarn, lock that like that and hide this tail. We finish our motif. It's so easy and much of 3D. I hope you like it. You can use that motif in your projects, some places in your blanket, or you can use that motif with you can make a pocket with that motif in your cardigan. It comes to new looking in your cardigan. It gets here. I hope you like it. It's so easy. If you have any questions, please leave me comments and don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook and on Pinterest as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Thanks for your watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.